Hey everyone, welcome back. So just a quick recap. Over the past few weeks we had our maintenance guy in. He's been having a look at the terraces, and as you've seen in the previous video, well, the decking boards, they've been lifted, only to find that the supporting beams, they were rotten, they were brittle, and they were crumbling to pieces. Well, we went out, bought new beams, and also we're busy waterproofing the floor, because as you've seen, there was water lying underneath the waterproofing membrane. The painters has also been into the property, and they've been painting and bringing some light back to this property, brightening everything up, and the massive hole that you've seen in the ceiling, well, that has been also fixed. The only things that we're still waiting for is to finalize the water and electricity contract, and I'm also waiting for those keys to experience what it feels like going in the elevator from the ground floor up into the apartment. I mean, your own private elevator going into the apartment, that sounds amazing. But for now, I'm gonna make use of the staircase. Come on, let's go see what's happening. So, as you've seen, I have been making regular visits to the property. That's only of course to ensure that everything is going as planned, as they have been so far. We haven't encountered any other further obstacles so far, and I trust that we won't. However, if we do, I'm going to make sure that I attend to it immediately, so that in the future we don't have these problems or unnecessary problems. I'd like to make sure that everything is almost as close to perfect as can be. Also, just so you know, if you do have a property or a project similar to this and you're looking for advice, or you're looking for assistance, or you're looking for a property manager or a project manager, please do not hesitate to contact us. You could also contact me on 914-465-553. And if you're not in Portugal, that would be +351 914 465 553. Or send me an email, which is Taariq@idealhomesinternational.com. Thanks so much for subscribing to our channel, for viewing and for commenting. Until next time, stay tuned. Ciao.